In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, a soldier of Indian paramilitary Central Reserve Police Force died today due to suspected heart attack in Srinagar. The CRPF man identified as Kuldeep Singh complained difficulty in breathing on Thursday around midnight. He was moved to hospital in Srinagar but was declared dead by the doctors upon arrival. Two Indian policemen were killed in two different tragic road mishaps. A special police officer identified as Sardari Lal was killed after a vehicle hit his bike near Pardi Ramgarh area of Samba district. A traffic police cop identified as Mohan Lal was crushed to death by a rashly driven unidentified vehicle on the highway near Garnai in Udhampur district. The State Investigation Agency has filed a charge sheet in a National Investigation Agency court in Srinagar against a digital magazine editor and a PhD scholar in a false case. Indian police arrested prominent Kashmiri journalist Fahad Shah on February 4 under Black Law Unlawful Activities Prevention Act on the charges of publishing anti-India content. Ambassador of Pakistan to the United Nations Munir Akram handed over a letter from Pakistan Foreign Minister Bilawal Bhutto Zardari about the alarming situation in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir to the United Nations Security Council President Michel Biang of Gabon. The Foreign Minister Bilawal Bhutto Zardari in his letter urged the Security Council and the Secretary General to make concerted efforts to help settle the Jammu and Kashmir dispute in accordance with the relevant UN Security Council resolutions and the wishes of the Kashmiri people. Prime Minister Pakistan Shehbaz Sharif has said that during the recent summit of the Conference on Interaction and Confidence Building Measures in Asia in Astana, Kazakhstan, he drew attention of the world towards India's brutal policies in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. The Prime Minister in a tweet said that he apprised the world how India is using the mantra of democracy to hide the grave human rights violations being perpetrated by its troops in the occupied territory.